Recipes in just 5 minutes? Can it be done? Today's preparation is a quick and healthy fried gram dal chutney for rice. Welcome to Whada Gravy. Let's begin. To a mixer jar, add 1 cup of fried gram dal, 2 red chilies, 1/4 teaspoon whole black pepper, 2 tablespoon grated coconut, salt as per taste, and 2 pods of garlic. Do not add water. Pulse everything until it becomes a fine powder.
A few moments later. One eternity later.
Transfer to a bowl. Add water and mix to a thick consistency. Water is not added at the time of grinding because more water needs to be added to grind it fine. When you grind it this way, you'll be able to control the amount of water added. Add water little by little to get the correct consistency to mix with rice. Fried gram dal is rich in fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. It is good for the digestive system, aids in weight loss, helps control blood sugar, blood pressure, and cholesterol levels. It is anti-inflammatory and helps reduce the risk of cancer. It is also good for skin and hair health. The fried gram dal chutney is ready. You can actually prepare it in less than 4 minutes. Serve on a bed of rice with melted ghee. This recipe not only helps to cut down on your cooking time, it is also simple with easily available ingredients and with great nutritional value. Thank you for watching, and let me know your feedback in the comments section below. If you like my videos, do subscribe.